I usually launch Twitter in space 4. If I launch Tweety here, you'll see that it appears in space 4. If I open Expose, it's only visible in space 4, and if I move from space to space, it will stay in space 4. This is normal behavior for an application inside OS X Spaces. However, if I do the same thing with Twitter, which replaced Tweety, you can see that it appears in space 4 as expected. It's only visible in space 4 as expected. But when I switch from space to space, it follows me around. This is rather irritating. You can work around this by opening the Spaces preference. If Twitter's already here, remove it, add it back in, tell it which space you want it to be in, close. Now you can see it's still in space 4, but when I move around, it stays put. This works fine until you close Twitter. When you open it again, same behavior as before. It's here in space 4, but when you move around, it follows you. Again, you can go back into the Spaces preferences, clear and rebind it to space 4. This is kind of irritating to do every time you launch Twitter.